All right, this is a magnetic clutch I ordered for my Z425 zero-turn mower. Let's see how it compares with the old one here. It's supposed to be an exact match. Comes with a new bushing, old bushing, new bushing. It does look exactly the same. The only difference, the new one has a plug wire that actually hooks in to the clutch. The other one, I'll show you. I've doctored this up trying to make it last, but basically these wires were molded into the old connection there. So the new one has connector plug. It does not come with the shaft bolt that you need, and you also have to transfer over this keeps it from spinning, so you're gonna have to get this off and put it on the new one. Other than that, it looks like a direct fit. So I'm gonna get this on and see if it works. I'm gonna put a little weld on the end of that because it's getting really wore down. It's almost all the way through. Turn it down just a fuzz. All right, we got the tip of that build up a little bit. Now we'll grind it down and put it back on, the new one. Pretty warm. All right. I'm gonna get this hopefully installed back in here. Hopefully we can get all this lined up. I think we got lucky. Better get our line plugged in here before we get too far. Make sure that we can even reach it with it in place. Wrong end. Yep. Run that up through the hole. Okay, well, torque this down real good. Put our belt on while we're back here. Plug our line back in. Put the connection back together here. Put our spring back on. Right there. See how it does. When it went bad, it blew this fuse, so we're putting a new fuse in here. There we go. Heard it engage. You can check the operation of the clutch by just having the key on and moving the button. So no need for this anymore. That was a exact fit and it works just fine.